Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You want to start shooting right away, so open the camera and pick your mode. Tap the subject on screen to set focus. Once done, press and hold to lock AE/AF so the focus won't shift. Make sure you steady the phone with both hands or a support, then adjust exposure by dragging the sun icon up for brighter or down for darker. This establishes the essential capture settings and prevents unwanted refocus when you recompose. Once you have AE/AF lock engaged, you can fine-tune without losing that focus point. You can pinch to zoom to adjust framing. Make sure not to rely on heavy digital zoom beyond 1x if you want sharp detail. If you need very close focus, switch to portrait or use a manual camera app that exposes a focus slider. This gives you tactile control rather than tapping. Make adjustments slowly, because tiny movements change focus dramatically at short distances. You're ready to capture. Recompose while AE/AF lock holds, then press the shutter. If the camera hunts or looks soft, step back a bit to increase distance, add light to help autofocus, or tap a clearer contrast point to refocus. If problems persist, switch to a manual focus app to set focus precisely, or close and reopen camera. Sometimes a restart clears glitches. Remember, adding steady support and better lighting usually solves most focus issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.